Alright, back on the Kawasaki 340, got our new intake boot. Got this off Amazon. Got our intake bolts torqued down to 6 foot-pounds. Now we'll go ahead and torque these heads down. And then we'll deal with the stator, getting that back on. Alright, got the stator on. And when I put these case halves together, I forgot to feed these wires through this connector. So I just took the wires out and I just took a picture of where these go. On one of these, yeah, this wire here, I put some Sharpie on it so I can distinguish from this one. Okay, now I'll get the flywheel on. Alright, and then this gets torqued down to 60 foot-pounds. And then these little tabs bend over to lock this nut in place. Up next, we're going to put some new bearings for this fan. I think what I'll do is take an impact and try to zip this nut off. Alright, and then I want to be careful taking this apart because there are spacers in here. So there's 2 of them. There's our fan. And these bearings come out from each side. So you can't just pound them one way. So what I'll do is I'll take a screwdriver and get in here and try to pound that out. Alright, there's one. Now it's got a couple spacers too. Okay, I got the electronics on, and I'm going to leave the sheet metal off because we're going to heat cycle at one time and retorque these bolts here. So let's drop it in. Alright, let's give it a test fire. pretty good. So that should be a wrap for this one. Go ahead and retorque these, put the sheet metal back on. All right, thanks for watching. All right, so this has been ran a few times and it's cooled down. So I'm just curious what the compression is gonna be. So let's go ahead and test that out. Got the throttle open. Just about 132, not bad. All right, I'll check the other one. $133.